Even though this song, come on, let's sing with us again. I'm not a perfect person. There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I can tell you, darling, I never meant to do those things to you, and so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to chance who I used to be. The reason is not on you, and the reason is you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. It's something I must live with every day, and all the pain I put you through, I wish that I could take it away, and for the one who can just hold your tears, that's why I need you to hear. I found a reason for me to chance who I used to be. A reason to start over you, and the reason is 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 you. I'm not a perfect person. I never meant to do those things to you, and so I had